I'm going to burn Mr. Chi. He's from Omolga's Logic's house. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I burned Mr. Chi's house. Oh no, it's Mr. Cheese from Omolga's Logic. Racist, go to the blue engine. How dare you burn my house? Now I have to buy my new house because of you. That's it. Go back to the island door right now while I call your real clone and his reboot clone. Oh great, here we go again. When racist God the Blue Engine got home, my racist clone, how dare you burn Mr. Cheese from Mogul's Logic's house? Now he have to buy his new house because of you. I agree. You are grounded 6 days. Go back to your ship right now.